If you haven't tried homemade sourdough pasta yet, this is your sign because it's next level. It's surprisingly simple to make and honestly so worth the effort. Plus, it's a really fun way to use up all that sourdough discard sitting in your fridge. In this video, I'm kneading the pasta dough by hand, but if you're short on time, you can absolutely use a food processor or stand mixer to make things even easier. Start by pouring 250 grams of flour onto a clean countertop and creating a well in the centre. Crack your eggs right in the middle, then add your sourdough discard right on top. Using a fork, gently beat the eggs and starter together, slowly pulling in the flour from the edges. Keep going until everything comes together into a shaggy dough. Once it's combined, it's time to knead. Work the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. If it feels a little sticky, just sprinkle a little bit more flour until it's nice and workable. Now you'll need to let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes or even overnight in the fridge if you'd like to slow ferment it and develop even more flavour. When you're ready to roll the pasta, bring the dough back to room temperature if it's been chilled, and then it's time to cut it into pieces. You can use a pasta machine like I am in this video, or you can simply roll it out with a rolling pin and cut it by hand. Both work beautifully. Make sure you use plenty of flour to stop the pasta sticking to itself, and once your pasta is cut, you can hang it up to dry for at least 30 minutes. From here, you can cook it straight away in plenty of salted boiling water until it's perfectly al dente, or freeze it for later. I love keeping some on hand in the freezer. It cooks straight from frozen, which makes it so convenient on busy days. Homemade sourdough pasta really is such a simple way to elevate your everyday meals, and once you try it, you'll definitely be making it again.